Unity community, it is Mr. Kilburn coming to you to announce a very cool and new and exciting opportunity for us to recognize our incredible staff here at Unity Elementary School. So every single month, we're going to open up nominations for a teacher, lunchroom personnel, classroom aide, one of our building service technicians, anyone that serves our Unity students and you believe is deserving of recognition. And we're going to do this every single month going forward, and we're going to do this with a very simple link. We're going to ask you who the person is that you want to nominate, why you think they should be nominated, and anything else you think that we should know. And then our PBIS Tier 1 team is going to take those nominations and make that determination on a monthly basis. So very simple, very quick. Anyone can nominate. Students can nominate. Parents can nominate. Other staff members can nominate. We do not want to limit this to just us. We want everyone to be able to nominate these incredible folks that work with your children every day. So hopefully the link is somewhere near this video, and you click on that link and nominate away, and we're excited to start this recognition process. Thank you so much. Have a great day.